This video is about adjusting the offsets on this Citizen A32 machine. You have an absolute incremental button on this control. So normally it will be set to incremental, which means it will add the value to whatever you've got in there. So if you want to put 0 in there, obviously you'd have to put a negative value to neutralize the value, or positive or whatever. But if you want to write directly in there, you can switch it to absolute and write straight in. It's best to switch it back to incremental afterwards, and it's debatable whether it's even worth switching to absolute, but this video shows you how you do it. So first of all, I'm going to press the offset button. I'm in the tool data screen, which is where all the tool information is. Use the tab key to move over to different parts of it. And then when we want to enter a value, if I put 0.1 and press input, that will input 0.1. If I put in minus 0.1 and press input, that will neutralize that back to 0. So if I then want to do this in absolute, you'll see this button, press the absolute button. Now if I press 0.1 input, it comes in and it gives me this warning, and I have to say yes or no to it, whether I want it or not. And then if I put a value in of say 0, again it's asking me yes or no, and that would bring it back to 0. But as I say, it's best to bring it back to incremental when you've finished.